I'm Christel van Wyk, and in this webinar, we'll take a closer look at negotiating tax debt and payment arrangements with SARS. I'm going to make this quite a practical session because, as you know, you need to write to SARS, you need to make a written submission to SARS. And each one of these options you will need to address in a particular way. So we will address suspension of payment. We will look at the installment payment arrangements that you can write to SARS, and we will look at a compromise, which is a very comprehensive submission that you have to make with a lot of supporting documents. And then we will lastly have just a brief look at third-party arrangements and just some recent case law that can guide you on not to step into any specific pitfall. I look forward to engaging with you.